Hello my dear students, this is video lecture part 7, word problems on multiplication, solution of exercise 4.7. Question number 1 is, a man had put his money in 25 purses. Each purse contained 250 rupees. Find the total amount of money of the man. First, let us know how to, when we find the product. If the value of one thing is given, then to find the value of more than one thing, we multiply. This is remark or note. If the value of one thing is given, then to find the value of more than one thing, we multiply. In question number 1, a man had put his money in 25 purses. Each purse contained 250 rupees. See, each purse contained 250 rupees. Then find the total amount of money of the man. The number of purses are 25 and each purse contains 250 rupees. So multiply. Each purse contained 250 rupees. Therefore, so that the total amount of money in 25 purses equal to 250 into 25. This is multiply of 2 digit. 0 into 5, 0, 5 into 5, 25, carry 2, 2 5 are 10 plus 2, 12, 0 2 are 0, 5 2 are 10, carry 1, 2 2 are 4, 1, 5. Then add 0, 5, 2 0, 2, 5 1, 6 rupees. Total amount 6,250 rupees. Question number 3. A bed sheet costs 225 rupees. Find the cost of 216 such bed sheets. cost of one bed sheet is given. We have to find cost of 216. If the value of one thing is given, then to find the value of more than one thing, we multiply. This is the concept for multiplication. The cost of one bed sheet 225 rupees. Therefore, the cost of the cost of 216 such bed sheets is equals to 225 into 216. 5 into 6, 30. 2 6 are 12, 3 15. 2 6 are 12, 1 13. 5 1 are 5, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. 5 2 are 10, 2 2 are 4 1 5, 2 2 are 4. 0 5 5 10. 3 2 5 1 6, 4 5 9 1 10, carry 1 4 1 5. Rupees 50,600. The cost of 216 such bed sheets. Question number 6. A bus carries 56 passengers in one trip. In one trip, 56 passengers. How many passengers are carried in 26 trips? In one trip, 56. To find the number of passengers in 26 trips, we multiply 56 by 26. The number of passengers in one trip fifty 56. Therefore, the number of passengers in 26 trips is equal to 56 into 26. In one trip 56, so in 26 trips multiply by 26. 6 into 6, 36, carry 3, 5 6 are 33, 6 2 are 12, 5 2 are 10 1 11, 6 3 2 5, 3 1 4 1. Passengers 1456 passengers in 26 trips. So students, you can do exercise 4.7. I will send PDF also. So thank you.